Hey guys, and it's Eric RPG again, and after a long and very big video fail of trying to get through the 8th level, we're now in the 9th and final level of the game. Split into 2 parts. First part's a lot harder. Actually, it's 3 parts now that I think about it. Yeah, Maruyama, I think you have a problem. You were overcompensating for something. Yeah, we can't actually fight him, though. Oh no, this is terrible. Yeah, that's a bad way to start a level. I needed that hammer. Just so I don't have to go through that again. Ah, I did it again. What? That kills you? I don't know how to avoid that, really. I'm just gonna stay on this side. That one's kind of difficult anyway. I had such an easier time doing this before. I'm gonna save before I get up there. This part's difficult. It's probably the most difficult part of the level. Alright. Oh right, I forgot. That part has them extra lives that I'm going to need. Trust me. Although I'm probably going to save state my way through it. Well, going from that side doesn't seem to work out. Alright. Finally, through that section. This video is probably also going to be long, but for very different reasons. Oh no, he's gone crazy. Wah! The day of reckoning has finally arrived, my rival. Yeah, I think you're just tough. Jeez. I wonder what happened. The crappy machine! Of course it breaks down on him. This is like Wile E. Coyote and Roadrunner. Run away! It's gone mad! Malfunction. In this part, you kind of have to not get hit a lot. Yeah, I'm saving through here. Get off of me! I know you're scared to death, but come on. I think we're in the clear, pretty much. Just gotta avoid getting hit. And that's taken care of. I think we actually need to jump here, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's telling us to move. Final attack. This is the final area, the final boss of the game. Probably gonna let myself die here. Yeah, in case you didn't notice, Smiley is the real bad guy, and Dark Demon King's just a thing he's wearing. No, you're not, really. Now, there is a pattern to him, but I can't really explain it, because I haven't studied him. But depending on what attack he does, is what ability you want to pick up. You want to be small there. When he does this big laser attack. And they're all color-coded, so you have to identify them. But I'm too busy trying to stay alive to care, usually. Hammer's what you want to use to attack him, though. If you can. I think the first one's always one of these. I'm going to be saving every step of the way here, pretty much. So it's yellow. So what do I need for yellow again? Oh. I think I need hammer. Yeah, hammer would be the option. Or barrier. Nope, it's definitely hammer. That was definitely a different color. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I don't get attacked next turn. Okay, so I don't know what pink does. I'm gonna imagine it's... Okay, so that's what pink does. He's almost dead, though, so that's good. So green is... Green's hammer, I think. Or not. Since he's almost dead, though, I might want to pick up hammer. I screwed up there. I loaded another save. Orange? Load file. So orange would be... Crud. I missed it. I missed my opportunity there. That works. And he's dead. Finally, the end of the game. It's roleplay humor. What? The cool one wasn't me? How did you not know that? Was he attached to the puppet or something? By accident? Yeah, he was supposed to be awarded to the greatest puppet. He's a badge of honor. Jeez, talk about getting carried away. Me? Of course, it's Headdy. You know what? You're not gonna throw him in jail or anything because he's defective and he nearly destroyed the world. So here's the ending demo. Also, I apologize in advance because the credits are entirely in Japanese. I don't know why Mijit didn't translate it, or at the very least took the title sets from the English version of the game, but whatever. I'm sure if you looked at Wikipedia, you could find them. Or another YouTube video. He wants to take them off of his head, of course. Yeah, he should like wear them on his chest or something. You'd think this game was a movie or something because they're taking down a set. Oh, here are the credits. But this isn't the credits, these are the stat, or cast of the game. I'm showing you what they all look like. Paul, 3? Why are they called Paul? Suzuko-kun. Super Red Arrow. I can't read all these, so I'm gonna try. Mr. Porter, Bobo. I'll just let you read them. I'm not gonna bother. I like that robot dude. D-Goon, I'm hoping that's what it was. Happy Gomo Going. Going Going. Flying DD Riders, soldiers. Clowny. Rebecca. Brownie Bonbon. Yeah, we kind of killed those guys. Skewered them. Funky Ron Mel. Momiro Poison. And Balloon Kelly. I'm going to try to look up the internet real quick while these credits roll so I can find the credits to the game so I can actually tell you who made this game. By the way, this game was also made for Game Gear, but it's inferior, so don't play it. And by inferior, I mean it's terrible. The credits I'm going to be reading are just a list. They're not necessarily in the order the game puts them in. Just keep that in mind. Bounty Bounty. Jacqueline Dressy. Motorhand. And there's Babyface. Not its real name, though. Mitsuru. That's a girl's name, isn't it? Yayoi. Tough ass boss. Izayoi. Interesting. Reverface. And King Dark Demon. There's Maruyama. And his Kumo body, which I guess he's supposed to be in a teddy bear. Octopus Trap. Tail Hanger. That's probably his coolest one. Other than the one that blows up and goes crazy. I don't know why they call it a Chris wheel. Spider Phantom. But they spelled Phantom wrong. That's supposed to be a P. And it's the guy that tells us all the secrets. Mokun, Fukun, and Yakun. Thingy! The love interest, I suppose. And there's Smiley. Or Roleplay Humor's old icon on Twitter. Dynamite, Demise Avalon is his stuff. But check out his channel. There's Headdy. It's credits time. I'm just gonna read off these credits really slowly. Maxwell Taylor, Kaname Shindo, Shitoshi Murata, Katsuhiko Suzuki, Nazo 2 Suzuki. By the way, that's producer, level designer, audio, sound, music, and audio director, respectively. Continuing, Keiji Fujita, programmer, Yaiman, programmer, Kazuhiko Ishida, programmer, Makoto Ogino, character artist, Masato Maegawa, programmer, Lisa Best, marketing, Matt McKnight, QA tester, Mark Peniagua, QA tester. Well, obviously some of these English names are from the US version, but I'm reading them off anyway. But Kim Rogers, QA tester, Ben Skizamolak, I can't pronounce that at all, but also QA. Maria Tuzo, QA. Fernando Valderrama is QA. More QA is Alex Villagran, Greg Vogt, Christine Watson, Mark Griffin, Ray Alvarez, Jane Cook, Ben Curitan, Adam Ellis, Alex Fairchild, David Foster, Aaron Holmes, John Jansen, Jeff Kessler, and Jeff Loney. That's it for QA. And Norio Hanzawa is, I think, the music composer for this game. And Steve Smith is also listed as a developer for the US version. But that's all the credits. So as far as the Japanese team is concerned, it's very, very small. But yeah, like I read off there, it was not necessarily in the order that was shown in this game. And I'm pretty sure they left the English team out of it. Oh yeah, Norio Hanzawa is also listed under the aliases like Kazuo Hanzawa, Nan, or N Hanzawa. So if you see those in any of the other Treasures games, that's him. Special thanks. Yeah, I can't read these off because they weren't included in the English version. I only found the English version's credits. Chances are that's the version of the game you're playing anyway. I think I'm just going to keep quiet here until this is done. Yeah, I said I'd read it slowly, but I read it all fast. I lied. I can read some of these. They're in English. Shinobu, something. Development. Max. Inoku Max? No, just kidding. That'd be crazy. Some guy from Game Center CX. And maybe I'll play Retro Game Challenge one day for you guys. Maybe it might get attention. Doubtful, but... Sega 1994. Copyright. It's gonna tally up all the secret points I found. Not that it matters in the long run. You might get lives for reaching a certain point threshold. Also, I think it determines how many of those extra continue things you can pick up at the end of a level, depending how many you get. Get on with it, credits. Yay, 11 out of 39. Alright, time to push start. You got secret number 1 out of 4, yeah, for the one I just showed you. Which means I don't get the secret, but I have a save state, so it doesn't matter. Congratulations for beating the game. See, this is the secret number we have to put in. But it's not gonna work, so I have to load a save. Alright, here's the secret number. I'm gonna save it here. Alright, the code I have is 4297. What the heck am I doing here? Alright, I had it paused. Huge success! So I guess he was a movie star. in reality. The next scenario, I mean, there's going to be a sequel to this game? Blowing up? No, that doesn't sound good at all. I don't like that idea. I forgot I changed the control scheme for this part. Yeah. You kind of have to not get hit by the money, pretty much. I'm taking care of the big guy just because he's big. This whole scene takes a while to do. There is something you get for beating this little segment. Alright, I'm gonna save here. It really hurts you, too. Yes, this part is infuriating, but it's kind of worth it. It's avoiding those dollar bills. Alright, I can avoid taking hits. I'm pretty much in the clear now. You don't want my money? No, I don't want to nearly die several times. Alright, now I got rid of his goons, I gotta get rid of the big guy. You can only do it once at a time, though, pretty much. I think the game gives you unlimited lives here, just so you can beat this section eventually. This segment exists in the US version, but it doesn't really make sense since they cut out all the story anyway. Easy. You just gotta keep them in a pattern. Move all the way from the right to the left. And he's gonna blow up. Yay. This is your reward for doing this. The end. Okay, right now, before I quit this video, I'm going to read off the movie puns that the US version used when it named its levels. The first level, or first section of the game, is called The Escape. That's from The Great Escape. Steve McQueen classic. Toys in the Hood, Boys in the Hood. And it starred Laura Fishburne and Cuba Gooding Jr. and Ice Cube. And apparently it's a ghetto film listed in this FAQ. Sorry, this is just their description, not mine. Mad Dog and Headdy, Mad Dog and Glory. Company starring Robert De Niro and Thurman. And Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Terminator 2, obviously. But Mad Max, and that had Mel Gibson in it. Heather Napped, Kidnapped. 10 variations of the movie, apparently. Star Wars. Towering Internal, The Towering Inferno. It's a Steve McQueen classic. Cinderella. And The Flying Game, The Crying Game. Drama about British soldier captured by IRA terrorists. And there's Fly Hard, Die Hard. Everybody knows what that movie is. Babyface, Scarface. The interesting thing about Babyface, it was also in this version of the game. It's like probably the only movie reference at all. But, and everybody knows what Scarface is. And anybody doesn't know, it starts Al Pacino, and he's a drug lord. And Heady Wonderland, Alice in Wonderland, The Rocketeer, everybody probably knows what that is. It's about a guy who has a prototype jetpack and he fights Nazis and he becomes a mass hero. So, and Illegal Weapon 3, Lethal Weapon 3, and Unforgiven, Twin Peaks, Fatal Contraption, Fatal Attraction, starring Michael Douglas and Glenn Close, Star Trek, and then Final Analysis is Final Analysis. Oh no, that's Finale Analysis, I read it wrong. Romantic drama starring Richard Gere and Kim Basinger. So, I hope you enjoyed this LP, and I think I'm gonna do a game everybody's done to death before. Legend of Zelda, Link to the Past. I know, blah blah blah, but it's something I want to do, and I want to get it out of my chest before I do an LP of a game that might be of interest to everybody, because it's obscure again. So, I'll tell you right now, it's EVO, The Secret of Evolution, or Search for Evolution, I forget what it was called, but it's a game by Annex, and it's about evolving. So, I'm doing that for Darwin Day, so see you guys later. Maybe if I can squeeze in a couple more before that one, though. But we'll see. I might record it ahead of time just to get it done. But bye-bye. See you later.